If you are looking for how to convert centimeter to kilometer in Excel like this one, then keep watching. Here you can see that there is a centimeter and I have converted into kilometers with this formula. So how you can do that? Use the put is equal to, use the convert function, bracket open, select the cells, comma, double quote, put the CM, double quote, comma, double quote, and for kilometer use km and double quote and close the bracket, hit enter, and you can see that 3 lakh centimeter is equal to 3.01 kilometer, and just drag the other values. Here is the results. So you can cross check by, you can convert kilometer to centimeter. So this time put the formula is equal to, again use the convert function, bracket open, and select the cells, comma, double quote, and now use kilometer this time, and double quote, comma, double quote, hit cm because you are converting now kilometer to centimeter now, double quote, and close the bracket, hit enter, and now you can see that the values are same, and drag the values to the other. So all the values are same. So this way you can easily convert centimeter to kilometers in Excel, or vice versa, kilometer to centimeter. So if you think you have learned something new, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.